Hello, my name is Abdul Azim bin Abdul Aziz and I am supervised by Madam Shariza binti Ma'aris. The title for my final year project is Study of the Strength for Lime Sand Brick with Rice Husk as Partial Sand Replacement. Firstly, the introduction. In building projects, brick is mostly a significant basic material in Malaysia. This is because Malaysia is a tropical and humid country. Therefore, the use of steel is not the option for building because steel will rise in time. Furthermore, the brick is less expensive than steel. In terms of the sand usage, environmental quality and accessibility of the rice husk, the replacement of sand with the rice husk can be utilized. Then, for my problem statement, the sand is essential source material in the production of brick. Second, brick making using sand are high and the use of rice husk may reduce the strength of brick. The objective of my study are: first, to determine the water absorption of the brick. Second, to determine the compressive strength of the brick. Third, to determine the bulk density of the brick. And lastly, to determine the flexural strength of the brick. Then, the scope of study. The percentage of rice husk that I will be using is 10%, and there are 4 tests that will be conducted for the study. First, compressive strength test. Second, density test. Third, water absorption test. And lastly, flexural strength test. The significance of the study is to spread the knowledge about using this waste material into a possible material that can benefit people and reduce environmental problems such as environmental pollutants. Second, this material could become the alternate way to replace the sand that could be expensive in the future. I had listed 5 of the literature review. Firstly, the effect of rice husk ash on characteristic of lightweight clay brick, written by Dunupon Tonoyapas, Perapon Tekasakul and Sarawak Jarinam. The findings are: this investigation had demonstrated a feasible way of using incinerated RHA as brick clay to produce a high quality brick. Usage of RHA material in the clay mixture improves the physical and mechanical properties. The use of RHA waste in brick production provides an economical contribution and also serve as the energy efficiency materials for buildings. It is indicated that RHA could be an alternative raw material to production of clay bricks and friendly environments. Second, by Rahman. The topic is effect of rice husk ash on the properties of bricks made from fired lateritic soil clay mix. The findings are: the workable mixing water content, liquid limit and plastic limit of lateritic soil clay mix increase linearly with increase in RHA content. The compressive strength of lateritic soil clay mix bricks increases with increase in RHA content. And water absorption of lateritic soil clay RHA mixed bricks are within the permissible limit for use in developing countries. Third, the topic is the effect of rice husk and rice husk ash, 2 properties of bricks, written by J. Sutas, Emana and Elpita. Their findings are: the increasing rice husk in product decline, the compressive strength because the combusted rice husk replaced with the space in the product which affect the density and compressive strength. The 2% of rice husk ash by weight increase the compressive strength and density. Fourth, the topic is rice husk as filler in the production of bricks using Giboko clay. That is written by Akiyele, Olateju and Oikolomi. The investigation has showed that the rice husk can serve as an inert filler to increase the intermolecular bonding and increase in compressive strength within the Giboko clay soil at 4% rice husk in clay. And lastly, the topic is the use of Rice Hash in low-cost Syncrete block production by Oyetola and Abdullahi Department. The findings are the Rice Hash produced using charcoal from firewood is pozzolanic and therefore is suitable for use in block making. For a given mix, the water requirement increases as the RHA content increases. The setting time of OPC over RHA paste increases as the ash content increases. The compressive strength of the blocks for all mix increase with ash at curing and decrease at the RHA content increase. Rice Hash is available in significant quantities as a waste and can be utilized for making blocks. This will go a long way to reduce the quantity of waste in our environment. The optimal replacement level of OPC with RHA is at 20%. Then the methodology. Firstly, I will be preparing the sample. Then, laboratory testing at 28 days consists of compressive strength test, water absorption test, density test, and fractional strength test. Then I will get the result and write the report. Then for the specimens, the type of brick that I will be making is limestone brick with dimension of 225mm times 130mm times 75mm according to JKR standard. The Rice Hash percentage that I will be using is 10% and the lime percentage is 5%, 7.5% and 10%. The expected outcome for my study is, firstly, the Rice Hash can be used as sand brick manufacture as partial replacement for fine aggregate. And second, to be able to know the strength of the lime sand brick with Rice Hash in compared to lime sand brick. This is my project planning for final year project 1, starting from week 1 to week 14. This is my project planning for final year project 2, starting from week 1 to week 14. And that's all for me. Thank you.